Hey guys, so we are using the boxes and bullets organizer to help us with our main idea. So, right at the top, this blurb gives you a reminder that in the box is the main idea, and then the bullets are all the little points or details, or in this case, examples, that go with the main idea. All right, so we have read this page right here. How are gorillas classified? And we know that gorillas are classified into two main groups based on their similarities. So we put in our boxes and bullets organizer that gorillas are classified into two groups. That's what we think the main idea is. And we read the page, and from there we said animals are grouped together with other animals like them. So let's keep reading this chapter to see if our boxes and bullets organizer is all good, or if we can add anything else. All right, we have this thing up here, classification of gorillas. This is not the title or topic of the chapter, but this is the subtopic. Good. Scientists once believed that all gorillas were similar enough to be classified as one species. However, gorillas in Western Africa are smaller and have shorter hair than other gorillas. Eastern gorillas grow larger and have darker hair. In 2001, scientists classified gorillas into two species: the Western gorilla and the Eastern gorilla. These two species can be divided into smaller groups called subspecies, just like we have subtopics within our topic, right? So here's some examples down here. All right, so now, do you think we need to change our main idea box? So remember, here, let me help you guys out a little bit. This pink blurb is the template that we're using, right? Now, down here goes with our chapter. So do you think we need to change the main idea? I think that we could add some more details to it, okay? So we don't necessarily need to change it. I just wanted to know what you were thinking, but I think we could add more details to it. Could you tell me what you would add to the main idea box? Yeah, so I'm going to add that gorillas are classified into two groups based on their similarities, right? That's a fancy way of saying animals like them, okay? So we can actually get rid of this bullet, but we need some other bullets. And the thing about when we read these information texts is there's a well, a lot of information. So a lot of times I like to go back and look again. Scientists once believed that gorillas were similar enough to be classified as one species. Okay, right? But we know they're in two groups now. However, gorillas in Western Africa are smaller and have shorter hair than other gorillas. Ooh. So we could say gorillas in West Africa. What did we say about them? How are they different than other gorillas? Shorter and have. And if we have to go back, that's fine. They have shorter hair. They're smaller and have shorter hair. Than gorillas in where? So we said gorillas in West Africa are smaller and have shorter hair than gorillas in. And again, if you forget, no big deal. You can just always head back. Eastern gorillas grow larger and have darker hair. Good. So Africa, East African gorillas are larger and have longer hair. Good. So now from there, I keep reading. In 2001, scientists classified gorillas into two species. Oh, all right. Remember, that's our main idea. We're classified into two groups, or I can change this. Species. So scientists classified gorillas into two groups. And what are those groups? Good. Western and Eastern gorilla. Two groups or species, I could say. Right, because we said that there were some things that were different, right? So we couldn't just put them all together because Eastern and Western gorillas are different from each other. So we have the details that support our main idea. Good job. All right, so from our boxes and bullets organizer today, we worked on finding the main idea of our text. So this is where we were today. Right? And we also continue to use our text features, right? Especially those topics and subtopics. And it's kind of cool because when we look at the page of this book, it kind of does the same thing, right? You have the one big species or topic and the smaller subspecies or subtopics. Nice. All right, guys, you are going to have the chance to discuss with a partner about the work that you did, and then you're going to work on finding the main idea in your own reading today. Okay? Get to work.